The two babies swimming closest to the bank here, and Mama's right out behind them. All right, guys, we are back at the U.S. Branyon Backcountry Trails. Jonathan's joining me today. We're going to go down the Rosemary Dunes Trail. We are here, and we are going to go all the way down to the intersection at the Forest Pavilion and Butterfly Garden, and then come back. So, here we go. We are on Rosemary Dunes, and we stopped to see the alligator here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but she's got some little babies with her there, swimming over towards us. Maybe she'll come up on the bank where we can see it. You hear it chirping? There's Mama, and her babies are somewhere right over here. One just swam towards us a second ago. Here comes one. See it? There to the left over, swimming towards us. He went under. We are behind the protective fence, and you don't want to bother or harass her. Mother's very protective of the babies. See if I can zoom in on her a little better. May not be able to pick it up real good with a video, but there's a baby right here at the bank, right here just off. There it comes up on the beach, on the little sandy area. See it? Those are new babies. She's keeping a close eye on them though. There comes another baby right here in front of us, down close to the edge of the water. I hope this video is able to pick him up real good. Here he goes swimming over. It's going to come up on the bank too. There it comes. Too cool. We're going to ride on down to where the eagle's nest is, and there's a little lookout platform play area near the eagle's nest we'll check out too. I wonder how many babies she has. I see at least 2. Like I mentioned before, each one of these trailheads and trails have their own little personality. This is the Rosemary Dunes Trail, And of course, we've seen baby alligators on this one. On down the trail a little further is an eagle's nest we'll take a look at, and a little viewing platform. And this is a little viewing platform where you can see the eagle's nest, but the tree are in the way. See if we can see it from this end down here. And this little platform right here could be used to watch the eagles over on the eagle's nest, but there is a pine tree that's blocking the view today, so can't really see them from up here. But this is a neat little place structure, if nothing else. Good view of the park from around up here. A little shaded area. A little bench hid back up under there. All right, and that was the Rosemary Dunes trail here at the US Branyon Backcountry Trails. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell notification. I'm loading videos up all the time. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you.